How to rapidly scale your Amazon FBA business, your online arbitrage business, to $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month is the first milestone that you are going to hit. And it is basically the milestone that you need to hit before your business starts to explode and before you start realizing, like when you hit $10,000 a month, you will start realizing the potential of this business. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what you should do to rapidly scale to $10,000 a month. Before we actually do this, in the description, you are going to find a link for one-on-one coaching. So if you want to scale past $10,000, or if you are having issues scaling to $10,000, book a call with me. We can build a plan and see what you are doing wrong right now and build a plan to help you reach your goals. If you want to see other people that actually helped, look in the Discord server, because yes, we have a Discord server, by the way. I'm going to talk about this in a few. Like, look on the Discord server, look in the success tab, and you'll see the people that I helped. Second thing that you're going to see, the Discord server, as I said, if you want to grow, you need to build a network. Best way to do it, come on the Discord server, start talking to people, start interacting with people, start answering questions, start asking questions, start sharing your opinion, and start sharing your experience, right? If you know, if you learn something new, okay? So if you want to grow, do this, and you'll grow way faster, and it's going to be way more fun. So about scaling to $10,000 a month. So if you want to scale your revenue on Amazon, you need to scale your spending. It's the first thing that you should do, because your spending is directly correlated to your revenue, because this is an inventory business. So if you want to make money, you need to spend money in inventory. Now, the million-dollar question is, how much money do you need to spend in inventory to make $10,000 in revenue? And so a good rule of thumb, and what you are going to see with online arbitrage, is that you are going to need to spend basically 50% of what you want to make. So if you want to make $10,000 in sale, you are going to need to spend around $5,000. Okay, this is a good rule of thumb. This is a good way to actually, like, this is basically a good rule of thumb. Okay, you need to spend 50%. I'm sorry, of whatever you want to make. So if you want to make $10,000, you need to spend $5,000. Okay, so how are you going to be able to spend $5,000? $5,000 is around, let me just make the calculation to see how much money it is a day. $5,000 is $166 a day, every single day for 30 days, for a whole month. Okay, so you need to spend $166 a day. It is not too hard to do, and here's what I would do if I were you. If I were you, first I would watch my video on how to actually find profitable products to sell on Amazon. And the thing that I would not do is starting with storefront stalking. Do not start with storefront stalking. It is not going to be a fast way to scale to $10,000 a month. It is not at all. If you want to scale to $10,000 a month, it means that you are under $10,000 a month and you do not know a lot of shit about online arbitrage yet. You do not know a lot of websites. You do not know all that stuff. So what you want to do is build what I call a target list. Okay, you need to build a target list. You need to chase sales. You need to chase promotions. So what you want to do is have a burner phone that you are going to sign up for every single SMS newsletter that you can find. Have a burner email that you're going to do the same thing with emails. Build a list of websites. And by the way, I have a whole guide on how to do this. It's in the comments on one of my other videos. I forgot which video it is. If you want the guide, let me know. If I forgot to post it, I'll post it as the pinned comment. If I forgot and if you want the guide, just leave a comment and let me know, hey, you forgot, can you post the guide? And I will reply to you. Like, I usually reply to comments in like one day. I will reply to you and I will actually put the guide as the pinned comment, so that this guide actually help you. It's free, by the way. This guide actually help you to build your target list and reach your first $10,000 a month in sales. So as I was saying, you want to do this. So SMS newsletter, email newsletter. You want to build a list of websites that you are going to check every single day to see if they have new sales. You are going to check those websites manually. Websites such as Nike.com, Adidas.com, Walgreens.com. Walgreens you do not need to, because if you don't know, I have a whole ass video on how to source Walgreens. The new promotions comes on Walgreens every Sunday. And if you sign up to my email newsletter, you are going to receive the Walgreens links every single Sunday. So this is what you can do. Second, fourth, so check websites. Fourth, what you want to do is create an account on SalesGazer, okay? create an account with SalesGazer, and so you can sign up. It's like a burner email, but sometimes you miss stuff in your burner email, so it's kind of like a burner email. Watch what SalesGazer is, go to salesgazer.com, build an account, create an account over there. Then you want to use websites such as Rakuten.com and check the odd deals. Top Cashback and check the trending websites. All those websites that trends what's going on online and what sales are going on, okay? So from all those sources, I gave you 6 sources that you can check. From those 6 sources, what you want to do is you want to create a Word document, and you are going to list every single coupon, every single sale, every single promotion that you found for the day. So on those, like from those lists, on that list, you're going to check every single website that you can scan with tactical arbitrage. You're going to run the search on tactical arbitrage if you have tactical arbitrage, okay? Do this, and then start manual sourcing the rest of the websites. You just need, to be honest, if you want to spend $166 a day, you just need 1 lead to do this, or 2 leads if your leads are really cheap. Like, if your leads are really cheap, you're going to need 2 leads. 2 leads a day doing this method. And a lot of the leads you're going to be able to spend way more than that, way more than $166 in them. So yeah, you just need a few leads a day. And so believe me, if you want to find, like if you find 10 websites, if you have 10 promotions every single day that you are going to check, you are for sure going to find at least 1 lead. If you are not able to find 1 lead from all those promotions, you did something wrong. It's going to take you a little while to actually see all those websites, okay? But the thing is that you do not need a new lead every single day that you are going to need to order, okay? You are going to add all those leads to a spreadsheet that you are going to export. You are going to export those leads from SellerAmp to that spreadsheet. From Amazon, to that spreadsheet with SellerAmp. And so you are going to have a lead bank that you are going to be able to go back to, okay? But you want to do this every single day, and all you need to do is, from those leads that you find, you just need to spend $166 every single day. And that's it. That's how you scale to $10,000 a month. It's no more complicated than that. You do not need to do all that bullshit with storefront stalking, because even if you do, you're going to have a hard time finding products because you are not that good with keyword analysis, all that stuff, and like being able to scan those products fast, okay? With your eyes on the storefront. So do this every single day. And by the way, you are not limited to spend $166 every single day. If you want to spend $5,000 in 1 day, you can do it. It's going to be way easier for you actually. So you can just do all your spend in 1 day, and that's it. You do it on the first of the month, every single month. You spend those $5,000 and you are at $10,000 a month. No. One of the downfalls of doing this is of having a daily spend goal that you want to reach, is that you are going to try to spend money every single day. As I said, it may not be the best solution. You may want to wait on when good sales are coming. And so this is a sixth sense that you are going to start developing as when you start sourcing a lot. And so when there's days that do not have a lot of good sales, that you do not, sales that you know that are not good, do not force it and just wait for the next day, especially if it's towards the end of the week. Wait for Sunday and Mondays, because this is when most of the good promotions are coming. But yeah, it's all about, like, this is how you actually scale to $10,000 a month, okay? It's not rocket science. Just do this every single day until you reach, and just spend $166 a day. That's it. That's all you need to spend. You'll be at $10,000 a month. If you do this every single month, you'll be at $10,000 a month in revenue, okay? If you do things the good way, you'll be able to have $2,000 profit from this, okay? So I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like. Do not do all that storefront stalking bullshit, okay? It's not, you're not yet ready for this, okay? There's a big learning curve with storefront stalking, and in my opinion, this is not the best way. And I have a lot of videos on the reason why it's not the best sourcing method for beginners. So do that stuff. You spend $166 a day, you'll be at $10,000 a month revenue, and so you are close to actually replace your job. So hope it was helpful. Like this video, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because there is a new video until the end of the year, and probably further, like I'll probably keep going. I do not know yet, but I probably will. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.